drone for strategic use powered by solar power is soon to be a reality. Indian firm Garuda Aerospace is working on a solar-powered drone, Suraj. Solar cells fitted on the drone's large wings are meant to power the UAV along with a backup battery. Beyond Siddharth MP spoke to Agneshwar Jayaprakash, the founder of Garuda Aerospace. Listen in.
Indian drone company Garuda Aerospace has unveiled a new solar-powered drone known as Suraj. To talk to us about it, we have the CEO of the firm, Agneshwar Jayaprakash. Agni, please tell us about this new drone, Suraj.
We at Garuda Aerospace are quite excited to have Suraj being unveiled today by the ex-DRDO chairman, Dr. Satish Reddy, who is also the principal scientific advisor to the Rashtra Mantri. Suraj is a high-altitude, solar-powered drone. It also has a battery-operated payload as well. We also intend to utilize it for surveillance and reconnaissance operations, especially in border areas. It is a pride and joy because ever since we launched Vajra and unveiled it at the Defence Expo in 2022, there has been significant traction for us to ensure that we have a sustainable drone which will fly for longer duration. Vajra flies for about 5 to 6 hours, and we wanted the Suraj drone to fly anywhere between 8 to 12 hours of time. So that was the motivation behind the Suraj drone. We are very happy that it got unveiled today at the Aero India show, which was inaugurated by our Honourable Prime Minister. And I believe that the game of drones has just begun. We have a lot of amazing innovation and ingenuity that is spearheading India into becoming and transforming into the drone global hub by 2030.
We are just standing by the model of Vajra, which is your stealth drone. Tell us more about this project, how far have you come and what more to do?
So we've done the basic design as well as the testing of it in terms of how it will behave in various different conditions and scenarios. The 1:1 prototype is behind us today. We've been engaging with several engine manufacturers because if you look at Vajra, it is a jet-powered drone, and I believe that the jet engine is going to be crucial for the payload aspect as well as its endurance. And today we've had a lot of traction for Vajra in the Defence Forces. Hopefully it should be ready by the end of this year. Ultimately a lot of funds are required, and we are very happy to announce that today Garuda Aerospace has raised $22 million, which is the largest ever Series A fundraise for the drone segment. So we are very positive that Vajra as well as Suraj will definitely see flights towards the end of this year.
So Garuda's Kisan drone was the first in the country to receive the certification from the DGCA. Tell us more about it. What does that mean for a drone to receive a DGCA certificate?
Well, we were actually the first ones to receive the dual DGCA certification of both the type certificate for manufacturing as well as the RPTO certification, which is meant for training of these rural entrepreneurs and service providers. This is an extremely unique aspect and one of the major reasons why we did raise such a large fundraising round. But most importantly, I feel that the DGCA type approval is very important because it ensures that indigenous made in India drone startups have preference and precedence over imported drones, and also there have been a lot of progressive policies that have been placed by the Indian government, especially in terms of loans for drones as well as 50 to 70% subsidies for these Kisan drones. And ever since the Honourable Prime Minister launched 100 of our drones in 100 different locations, we have received several traction of like many countries wanting our Garuda Kisan drones. And also you know that Mahendra Singh Dhoni is our brand ambassador as well as a shareholder, and after he revealed the Droni drone, we've also received significant traction for our videography drone as well, which hopefully will be launched during the IPL time.
So that was Agneshwar Jayaprakash telling us about the developments at Garuda Aerospace with video journalist Tarak Ram, Siddharth MP, WION, World is One.